little artists! Are you ready to draw something fun today? We're going to draw a swing cradle. Grab your black markers, and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw the top bar of our swing cradle. Draw a horizontal line across the top of your paper. Next, we'll draw two A-shaped stands on either side. Draw a diagonal line down from each end of the top bar, then another diagonal line to meet it at the bottom. Connect these lines with a horizontal line to form the crossbar of the A.
Cool!
Now, let's draw the ropes that hold the swing. Draw two vertical lines down from the top bar for each side of the swing. Great! Now it's time to draw the cradle. Draw a curved line connecting the ropes at the bottom. Then, draw another curved line below it to form the seat of the cradle. Our drawing looks amazing! To make it pop, let's go over the outlines with our black marker, making them bold and sharp. Now it's time to bring our swing cradle to life with some beautiful colors. Show your color pens. We're going to use rainbow colors.
Cool!
Red color. Orange color.
Wow!
Yellow color.
Cool!
Green color.
Awesome!
Blue color. Purple color.
Wow!
Brown color.
Awesome!
Bottle green color. Fantastic job, little artists! Your swing cradle looks so colorful and fun. Keep practicing and making wonderful art. Don't forget to share your drawings with us. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.